Want to ditch the confusion and buy Bitcoin with PayPal on Coinbase? Just like a pro, let's dive in. First, head over to Coinbase and create an account. You'll need to enter your name, email, and a secure password. Make sure it's a strong one. Then, verify your email address by clicking the link they send you. Next up, identity verification. Coinbase needs to confirm you are who you say you are. You'll be asked for your phone number and to upload a photo of your ID, like a driver's license or passport. This process can take a few minutes, so be patient. Now for the crucial part, linking your PayPal account. Navigate to your account settings, usually found in a profile icon or settings tab, and then look for the payment method section. Click at payment method and choose PayPal. You'll be redirected to PayPal to log in and authorize the connection. Once you've done that, you'll be sent back to Coinbase. Ready to buy? Go to the Buy, Sell section on Coinbase. Select Bitcoin BTC from the cryptocurrency list. Then, select PayPal as your payment source. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Review your order carefully, including the fees. If everything looks good, click Buy Now to complete the transaction. And that's it. Your newly purchased Bitcoin will be safely stored in your Coinbase wallet. Happy investing!